Hello people, finally at my workshop again. And in this video I'm trying to answer or reply all of the comments that I didn't reply on the last video. And to begin with, I'm gonna show you the twist in the bed. This end is pretty good. And all of this is from the last time, which I think is last Wednesday, a couple of days ago. So actually there has not been a whole lot of moving since the last measurements. So at the tailstock end it is pretty good, pretty close. And then let's check the center. It has moved a little bit, maybe about 2 lines. And the final check will be here. Again, I guess it's about 2 lines. So this end is high and this end is low. One other thing that I thought that could affect the level measurement is that I'm only taking the level from about 6 to 7 centimeters wide piece of a ground way, which I'm not completely sure how accurate the grind actually is. So even if this grind has a little bit of twist, it doesn't mean that the whole bed has the same twist. And I have to do this because I don't have a set of parallels at all. So of course what I should do is put a parallel in here and one in here and then one between them and measure it there, and that would give me a better result. But I don't have any parallels, which makes me think that maybe I have to get some, which means that I'm gonna have to repair my surface grinder first, because I'm not gonna pay for a set that I can make myself later. And I'm a little tight on money at the moment because the school has just begun and I only work 1 day at a week now. And the feet, yes, these feet sure are flexible. I am sure it would be a whole lot easier to level the lathe if it was bolted to the floor. And when I left for my workshop today, I actually went to the hardware store and bought these. These are M16 16mm thread, pretty big, biggest I had, anchor bolts. So these work so that I drill a 16mm hole into the concrete and then hammer these down, and when I tighten the knot, it will make this piece wider, so it will stick to the concrete. I have used these a lot and I know that they are very good. And if everything else fails, I will do that. And I guess it really is the best way to go. I was thinking that flexible feet should be good, but in this application they really are not. But still I am surprised, really surprised, that the twist really hasn't moved at all since the last time. About the levelness in this way, I don't know, because it was, even last time it was showing like this, completely on one end. So I don't know if it has shifted. Maybe it has, maybe it didn't, I don't know. But what I'm gonna do now is spend maybe 1 more hour trying to get it leveled. And if I don't get it leveled, I will spend the rest of the day either rough scraping the saddle, which by the way looks like this now, still way to go, and the layer of blue on the waist is getting thinner all the time, so I'm getting more accurate readings. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of things to do, and I still haven't done any levelness measurements for the carriage of the saddle. I don't know if the cross-slide ways are straight to the bed and if they have the 90-degree angle or not. I still haven't done any measuring, so I guess when I put the saddle back on the waist next time, I will measure that. And also from a very friendly viewer, I have got some very good, nice material, book material from scraping. I still haven't had the time to take a look at them, but I must do that this weekend. Because there really is a lot for me to learn about scraping and keeping things straight and level. Okay, so now first we will find out if I can get the lathe leveled with these rubber feet, and if I can't, I will just have to wait for my next visit so I can get a power hammer drill to drill some holes for these, and I have 2 more of these, so I'm gonna put them on every feet. So the next time if I can't level it, I will bolt it to the floor directly. Okay, maybe it is time to end this mess of a video, and I will get back to you soon when I have tried to level the lathe. Okay, I'll be back in a minute.